Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the Wi-Fi adapter is enabled. This saves time later. Next, click the network icon at the right of the taskbar to open the Quick Network pane and make sure you can see available SSIDs. If the icon is hidden, press Win plus it to open Action Center, then expand and select the Network button. This reveals the same list, so you can begin scanning and choosing a network right away. Once you see available networks, select your SSID carefully. Similar names can be confusing. Click Connect. When Windows prompts, type the network security key exactly, paying attention to capital letters and special characters. Make sure to toggle Connect automatically if you prefer seamless reconnection. If it's a public network, leave that off. After entering the password, wait for Windows to authenticate and obtain an IP address. This is how it establishes a usable connection and internet access. You finish by verifying the connection in Settings under Network and Internet. Check status to confirm internet access and connection type. If it fails, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter first. It diagnoses common problems automatically. Make sure to try simpler fixes. Reboot the router, or in Wi-Fi settings choose Forget, then reconnect with the password. If nothing works, reset the network adapter. These steps address most issues and get you back online quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.